Well, good morning. Beautiful day out. It's 21 degrees. So it's kind of nice for once. Still cold, but a lot nicer than being below zero. So glasses today are giving me fits, but not sure what I want to get into today. Got a couple ideas. Just have to see what's going to happen. I got the old girl started up and working, and I tried a tip out that worked out good. Got my keyless remote working for the truck for the first time since I've owned the thing. And all it cost me was a paper clip. So, well, I guess I'm gonna go check the mail and get going today and see what happens. All right, talk to you in a few. Okay, I'm back. Mine had lunch. And it's up to 28 degrees, so sorry about the wind. But, yeah, I'm gonna check to see. I redone that remote yesterday to my pickup. I'm gonna see. Yep. Okay. Yep. What I was afraid of. It does take away it resets the remote to the vehicle. I stole the remote to the Tahoe for now, which is fine. Well, I can't drive the Tahoe right now, but yeah, I forgot to get my keys for the other truck. Because now that I know how to do that, I'm starting to wonder if my old dually has that option. And I'm sure if I've been zooming in and zooming out, trying to get used to wearing the glasses, and wind's still cold though. But, so if this thing goes click click when I do the little thing here, so let's see. We'll see here if this works now. 1, 2, 3. This works. Yep. Okay, the dually was evidently not equipped with keyless entry. Oh man, that bites. Oh well. Can't win them all. Can't win them all, so. But I'm curious now. Oops. Wrong pocket. Oop. Where the heck did I put them? I lost. Well, where did I put them? I just like to see my hand there. Oh, there they are. I was gonna say I just had them. I guess I want to make sure this thing goes click click again. So when I was trying to get this going, I got the remote back. Yep, it does it, so. Okay. Well, that was the sound I was hoping for out of the dually, but if that was the case, I was gonna beard shot again. Get a keyless remote for that too, since it's easy. But well, I'll have to get a different remote so I can put the Tahoe one back to the Tahoe one, because in order to, that remote has the rear door unlock. Well, I'm not doing very good taping here, and I'm just having all sorts of troubles today. Oh, but well, I am not sure what we're going to do yet. Get all my keys moved. Picked up a couple of dream catalogs. Thinking about starting on that. I got metal around here. Oh, excuse me. Didn't mean to do that. So it's just one of those days. It's one of those days, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. But dang, must be getting older because I gotta quit leaving the glasses off. I think I gotta start using them. Bifocals, so yeah. Oh, well, I don't know much else right now. Gotta find a home for that old tranny fluid, and maybe I'll get set up and do some cutting of metal. It's just one of those days I really don't feel like doing much. Plenty to do, but just got up, had pretty good wind in my sails, and then it just kind of, so I don't know, it's one of those days. Started off right away too, like new pop, got one drink out of it, put the lid on it, set it down, looked over to do something else. Well, I didn't have it set where I thought, hit the floor. For the amount that it costs. It's a little flat right now, but yeah. So that's how I knew when I dropped the pop I should have just went back to bed. So, alright, well, I want to figure out if I want to start cutting on metal for this or what I'm going to do. So, alright. As you probably can tell, yesterday I ended up not doing a whole lot of nothing. I just lost steam. Was my medication or what? But so it's next day. Now I'm going out and we're going to see if we can get started on that little shop cart and see how far we can get on that. I'm kind of really bored and need something to do, so just. Oh, but it's nice out, but it is cold yet. It's this truck don't have that, but at least it's nice and sunny. But, there be the farm. So, well, I'll get my metal pulled out from where it's all at. Arm washer sitting there rattling. So. Yep, I'll get my metal pulled out and start cutting pieces and start doing a little project here. So, talk to you in a few. Well, through the marvels of not being here, I finally got some metal rough cut. I'm getting ready to start on our little project here. So, I guess it's time to put some 45s on. Let's see. Alright, well, here goes nothing. Forgot something. Well, I gotta readjust to cut the 45s the other way since I'm using an angle iron here, so I'll be back in a few. Come on. Wow, took longer for the pressure to pump up than what I thought, but I had to clean up metal ends so I could see where to get my measurements. So, yeah. Let's see. This is where I need another set of hands. A better stop system for this. Yeah. Well, oh, like that. Now, okay. Smell burning rubber. I guess the sparks hit the foot. Use this quick. And 32 1/4, that's okay. A little longer than what I was planning on, but it's perfectly fine. Now this isn't match it. You know how you think you're ready, and then you start doing something, and then you find out you forgot to get this tool out or that tool. See, this work cart's being modeled after older gentleman. Sorry, I guess I don't have an older gentleman that homemade his, and I like the design, so I'm kind of modernizing it, and mine's going to be close to his, but not perfect, man. So, now, hey, put those two back to back, they are the same length. And I'll set those there for now. Well, instead of boring you with cutting the rest, I'll get those cut and then prepped, and we'll be back and start tacking the frame together. Well, not bad for, that's all I got for scrap. Right there. Got my pieces the same length and that. So now I'm going to get set up and I can get in there and wire brush out clean before I paint it later, so get what I can. Yeah, you know, well, no then, yeah, I'll just, nope, I do have to clean up some of it. It's one of those days. So, well, I'll get that prepped and I'll be back. Okay. You recording?
Yeah.
Oh, you should have told me that. Well, I'm going to start tacking this thing together and see what happens. Get my welding table done. crosshairs come out, so I think I better quit there. Check this way. Wow. That's good. Alright, I gotta make a quick little repair here. Okay. Sorry guys, I've been slacking, but I got the front legs on. Got the getting her going. Now I gotta get these on back here. Yeah. Yep. Get those on. And then I can make the shelf area that goes in here. So, yeah. Oops. Girls just left. They've been out here helping me. But, kind of becoming a fun little project. Oops, there we go. One of these days I'll learn how to make a video. But I did clean up that metal, as you can see. I put it off. It's easy to get to, I make it harder. Work smarter, not harder, like they say. So, but the girls needed to go home, so I'm just going to get the legs on, back legs on. We'll probably be able to get the back legs on, and obviously the front legs. Oh, and the shelf area in. And then I gotta go buy my wheels. I'm planning on using 9.5 to 10-inch wheels. So that if I figured right, I gotta double check that before wheel goes on. If I figured right, that should come out to a 36-inch height. So yeah, because now I need the shelf area in, so I can make a brace to go down to that center pivot point for the wheels. So it's taking shape. Ground down the welds. If I go on to making these, I got to figure out a better way of cutting the 45, but I got her. So, well, I guess I'm gonna check my measurements here quick and get the next set of legs on. So, all right, we'll be back. Well, I got all 4 legs on. Had to do a little tweaking while it was still warm, but we got it. I might have to set it down on the floor so it don't twist when she racks. So I might have to set it down here on the floor to have a nice flat surface to mount the shelf stuff in. So yeah, it's taking shape. I do a little thinking. Yeah. I'm all over with the camera today. But I remember stuff's hot. I go to pull on it and wow, belly got warm. So well, I might do it for today. So it's getting to be well, it may not. I might go ahead and get that next piece made, the shelf area there. So I got to think on that for a second. So Yeah, I may or may not be back. It did warm up outside. Wish it wasn't so windy. Then I got a nice welding table outside that my dad made out of some old iron that he got, I think, from the railroad or something years ago. I don't know, but one of those things heavy. But yeah, that'd be outside. But too windy to blow all my gas away, so. But otherwise, yeah, it's coming. So, whoop. I'm having a heck of a day. All right, see you later. Well, there you go. Starting to take shape. I did get more done. Got the shelf area in, and got to clean up my corners, do a little grinding. But yep, there it is. Then I'm either going to put some old countertop or something in there. Actually, I just got thinking I could mount a drawer under this. Huh. Have a drawer to keep tools in. So got the, like I said, the shelf. The legs should be the right length here, but I got until I get my wheels. Hopefully I left a little extra length. So then I gotta add another piece across here. And I need a brace go down to the wheels, and I gotta have the braces coming to the wheel. Brace 3 ways. So, yeah. But it's coming along. So, yep, it is now. Ooh, wow. Boy, time flies when you're having fun. It's, yeah, oh yeah, and I did finally find my safety glasses. But it's 5:45, so I think I'm gonna quit welding so I can sit around here for a while, make sure nothing's smoldering. Really hate to come out to a pile of ashes. But well, not bad. I haven't been really working on it that specific. And oh yeah, there's my air filter. And this is how much. And if anybody's doing welding and that, this is what you need. That was blue when I started. That is just from this afternoon of doing a little grinding and the welding. It turned that, see, you just barely see it's, that's a blue filter. So I guess for the guys that don't clean their air and that, I hate to see the inside of your lungs, but so I'm glad I haven't taken that out and taken that to town. So, well, like I said, I'm just going to clean up and quit grinding and welding, and oh yeah, I gotta get the 2 mowers back in here too. So, well, they'll call this the end of day 1 on this project. Don't know how much more I'll get done until I can get to the city or to a store to see if they got the wheels I want to use. And then once I get the wheels and the axle, the front steering on this, I'll be ready to start painting it. So, well, I'll quit here and we'll catch y'all later. So, stay tuned for part 2. Bye.